Yeah. I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting.
Hey y'all, so today my son is going to show us how he makes his biscuits, buttermilk biscuits, and this is his recipe, his technique. You are not going to see another biscuit recipe anywhere like this on the internet. Yes, I said internet, intranet, internet. You're not going to see it. So he's using self-rising flour. He's also going to use some buttermilk, oil, 1 stick of butter, baking soda, salt, and baking powder. Don't ask me why. It's his recipe, okay? So first he's adding all of his dry ingredients together in a large mixing bowl. He's only using a pinch of baking powder, baking soda, and salt, just a pinch. So he's using 1 stick of unsalted butter. This butter is frozen. If you've ever had any experience with making biscuits, then you probably already know that your ingredients should always be like super cold. Frozen is the way to go. So as you can see, he's going in with the pastry cutter and chopping down the butter. At this point here, your mixture should be crumbly. Now my son is adding in some oil and some buttermilk, and now he's going to mix this up. So as you can see, he added the buttermilk like a little at a time, but if you make this recipe, just add all of that buttermilk in there. You don't have to add it in a little at a time. And then you want to mix up your dough. Try not to over mix it. When you're done, the dough should be loose. So go ahead and flour down your work area. Drop that dough on top. You want to sprinkle a little flour on top of the dough because at this point here, this dough is sticky, icky. Sticky. So he's using a rolling pin to roll out the dough. You don't have to use a rolling pin if you don't want to. You can use your hand just to pat and, shape that dough. So he's also using a dough cutter, and he is using this to fold the dough. This will create those layers in his biscuits. So I am like a proud mom right here watching my son make these biscuits. I'm so proud of him. When you really think about the children in today's day and time, he's 17 years old. There are so many other things that he could be doing, and he just wanted to make some biscuits. So I was like, cool, I'm gonna film you making your biscuits. And I told him, I want you to do everything the way that you normally do it. Just do what you do. It's his recipe, and these biscuits were so good. So now if you are interested in trying my son's biscuit recipe, I will leave all of the ingredient measurements in my description box down below. I'm also going to leave the temperature settings that your oven needs to be on and the time that it took to bake these biscuits.
One, put them up to the edges. 2, make sure they're touching. 3, they rise better when they touch. And you want to just squeeze them in a little bit.
So here it is. The biscuits are done. But wait. Let's pause. Let me pause. I know you see that big old monster right there. We are not going to ignore that biscuit right there, okay? That biscuit That's my biscuit. I don't care what nobody say. These were overall very, very delicious, very, very good. And these are perfect for like some sausage gravy. Yes, these were so good. Like I said, I could say it a million times. I would not lie to you guys. The flavor of the biscuits were really, really good. And I think my son did an amazing job making biscuits. I'm so proud of him, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope that I'll see you in the comments saying some positive stuff, and then I'll catch you guys in my next one.
How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss.
Look at that young man making them biscuits.
I probably look funny in focus.
No, you look very, very handsome, just like your dad. Just like your dad.